In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix slow and laggy Chromebook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a slow Chromebook is usually caused by RAM exhaustion from Android apps running in the background or a clogged system cache. So before changing settings, find exactly what is slowing you down. Press search and escape to open the Chrome OS Task Manager, then click the CPU or memory column to sort by highest usage. And if a specific tab or Android app is using more than 20% CPU while idle, select it and then click End Process. Android apps often stay active in the background even after you close our windows. So what you want to do is go to Settings, then Apps, then Manage your apps and select apps you don't use daily, like social media or games, and toggle Allow Background Activity to Off. And what you can also do is go to Settings, Developers, Android Preferences, then tap System, Reset Options, Reset App Preferences, and this clears temporary glitches in the Android subsystem without deleting any data as well. Things should be working a lot faster. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.